With all the choices in the supermarket today, it's not surprising people are confused. So we thought we'd give you a simple guide to some common items. Let's take a look at bread. All breads are made from grain, but the process of making the bread determines whether it has any nutritional value. A grain is made up of three parts: the endosperm, the germ, and the bran. The refinement process removes the bran or germ, leaving you with little or no nutritional value. Breads such as white, wholemeal, light rye, and multigrain are refined and should be avoided. Unrefined breads such as soy and linseed, dark rye, and whole grain are what to look out for. These breads are produced using the entire grain and maintain all their nutrients, making them much better for you. Remember to take any existing health conditions into account when following these guidelines and adjust to suit your needs. For more information, visit intervalweightloss.com.au.